Ramji, introduce yourself.
So good afternoon, sir. My name is Janipela Nagavenkat Ramji. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Mummidivaram, Amlapuram city, and I did my graduation in Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering, autonomous in mechanical degree. In my family, there are three members: my father, my mother, and me. My father is working as private employee in Hyderabad.
Okay. So you did your graduation in mechanical engineering. When you completed this degree?
Sir, I completed my degree in 2019, sir.
2019. Okay. So after that,
Sir, after that I gave GATE exam, but in that I am not able to secure good marks.
okay,
But using that, I went to JNTU Kakinada for MTech.
okay,
At the in MTech, I choose CAD CAM degrees, a CAD CAM option. So I
okay,
completed that over there, and
okay.
next I prepared for banking sector.
So your MTech is completed or it's going on?
Sir, actually, due to COVID break, my project was not completed. Remaining all completed. Sir, I have to give the last viva.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine. So, acha, what was your gate score?
My gate score, sir.
Yes,
Actually, at that time, 42, sir.
42.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, why you want to join banking?
Yes, sir. Actually, uh, at present, the technology has been gradually increasing, which was adopted by banking sector too. So, as an engineer, I regularly updated with that. For example, recently CBDC also introduced in banking sector, sir.
Okay,
In such way, these engineer people will be very well aware of that.
okay,
So, I choose that key. My knowledge will help, will be useful in banking sector that the job demands. And the next thing is that a bank PO should have good communication skills and the analytical skills, because banking sector is purely depend on some analytical skills also,
okay,
which I thought that I have. So I choose this.
okay. So, you mentioned about the technology. So, can you name two, three technologies which is suitable for a banking system?
Yes, sir. Recent technology is CBDC, and the next thing is already we have these phones like touchpad phones. But
Okay,
for feature phones also, government this banking sector has introduced UPI Lite and UPI 123. For that, we can send money without internet.
okay,
Yes.
fine. So, can you tell the role of artificial intelligence in banking system?
Um, Sir, actually, artificial intelligence now it was not there, but we have this introduced this metaverse,
Okay,
so we can use that in future, sir. Like without the who is the customer, they cannot be go to. I mean, if they wanted to talk with the bank employee directly using this metaverse, we
okay,
can use this artificial intelligence as that virtual reality. In that way, they will be directly in contact with us, so we can use that way this artificial intelligence in banking sector.
okay. Okay. So have you heard about this chat GPT? So there was
No, sir.
okay, no. Okay. Acha, have you prepared for banking awareness?
Yes, sir.
You know few
I think
topics.
yes.
Okay. Can you name two, three topics?
Topic wise, sir.
You
Sir,
just
like,
tell the name, whatever you prepared for banking.
yeah, sir. This basic different types of accounts what we have,
Okay.
and the thing what are the different types of ATMs that we have,
Okay.
and banking and financial activities that a bank do and non-financial activities a bank do, and NPA.
Okay. So can you tell me how bank really generate profit or how they generate the income?
Yes, sir. Sir, basically, the bank main motto is to take the deposits from the public and they provide credits to the entity or the organizations.
Okay.
Sir, indeed, the basic thing is that CASA deposits, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, CASA deposit, the current account will be given for organizations, and the savings account. So the government generate profit in these CASA deposits, sir, in such a way that they will provide CASA deposit, and in that 0% interest will be provided for that account.
Okay.
For savings account, it will be around less than 3%.
Mm-hmm.
From this amount, from these deposits, government will these banks will provide loans to the organizations or the people too.
Okay.
So in that way, they will have some margins, sir. They will provide loan for higher rates and they will give lower rate of interest to the public for the deposits they have. So
Okay.
in that way, they will have some profits.
Okay. So,
And we can, sir.
please continue.
Yes, sir. Sir, in nowadays, banks also doing these third party like third party these insurance policies. They are also providing that. By doing that, also these are generating profits, sir.
Okay. Okay. Nice. So, do you have a saving account
Yes, sir. Yes.
with which bank?
So I have in State Bank, sir.
State Bank of India. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what rate of interest they are offering you on your saving account?
Sir, it is around three, I think.
Okay.
Actually, I don't know the exact value.
Acha, okay. You know, like when they generally credited that particular amount in your saving accounts?
Sir, generally, like for every day, they will. So give me a second.
Ah, no worry. Take your time.
Okay, sir. Sir, generally they will give this rate of interest. I mean, to the savings account at the end of the year, but they will calculate on quarterly basis. And
Okay. They generally
sir, I am not
calculate on daily basis and they credited it on a quarterly
at the end
basis.
of the
Quarterly basis. Okay.
year.
Fine. Okay. You watch movies?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which kind of movies?
Sir, I'm not much that much interested in movies. Just I usually see movies for the stress free to
Okay.
get rid of stress.
Can you tell your last movie name?
Sir, this is Rajmouli's movie who got Saturn Award in
Okay.
that RRR.
RRR. Okay. What
Yes,
is
sir.
your learning from RRR?
Sir, as it is a freedom struggle people story, I learned that, sir, in that only one for the hero first point of view that who is working under British in his point of view to get any point like if you want to become some officer also whatever it may be the position you
Okay.
have to work for it like restlessly
Mhm.
until unless you got it.
Okay.
You must not take any rest till the goal you reach. That is the point I learned from that person.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So, how you update yourself? Do you read newspaper or any other thing?
Sir, I follow this Hollywood. In Hollywood, I have news cutting. I mean, like they will update some news, sir. I will follow that.
Okay. Okay. So, can you tell me two, three recent news? Just headline, huh?
Okay, sir. Actually, yesterday on January 1st, the budget has been released, sir.
Okay.
And in that, they are concentrating like they are given Saptarshi like seven different ways
Okay.
to build up the nation. In
Mm-hmm.
that is one, and the next thing is recent news is this Adani stocks has been decreased as he was in the top three position. He was came down to 10th at present, below
Mm-hmm.
10.
Mm-hmm.
So, and Punjab National Bank has given a provision of 7,000 crores for his what he has done for that.
Mm-hmm.
And the next thing is this. Uh, uh, I think this e-watcher also, which was provided by government of India, so that we will use it at some points.
Okay. So, as you mentioned about the union budget news, okay. So, can you tell me your viewpoint about this budget?
Sir, I seen some points which are very interested in that. Sir, they concentrated on this, I mean, women empowerment, like women for women saving schemes.
Okay.
That they had given a time period up to 2025 March 2025 for that every woman those who are who want to save the money they can deposit money for 7.5 interest. They are providing good interest rate for
Okay.
2 years and for uh, and the next thing is for medium class people they have reduced the GST also up to 7 lakhs they can avail this GST benefit.
Okay.
And so the another thing got interested in that is that there is two points here. In Karnataka, they had given a budget of 5,000 crores for the development of Karnataka.
Okay.
So the same point that I was doubtful about that is why they were not interested in giving that money to our state because our state is also having some problems to rectify. So that is
Mm-hmm.
the point we had. Even TV news also having discussion on that. So these are
Mm-hmm.
the points I got interested in.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Okay. So, acha. So you belongs to which district of Tamil Nadu?
No, no, sir, I belong to Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra
Okay.
Pradesh.
Can you tell me
Yes,
the
sir.
name of district?
East Godavari district, sir, but it was now changed to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar district, sir. For
Okay.
our state, districts has been increased.
Yes, yes, yes. So what is famous things in that particular place? Like if you have to market that area or that particular district, so what you will highlight?
Yes, sir. Actually, Andhra Pradesh, we can say that the world famous diamond Kohinoor.
Okay.
So it was taken from
Mm-hmm.
Guntur district in Kollur area. And the
Mm-hmm.
next thing is Andhra Pradesh can be said like rice bowl of India.
Okay.
Actually, in Andhra Pradesh, we
Actually, I'm not
can
asking about the Andhra Pradesh, just about your district only.
okay, okay. East Godavari district, sir. East
Yes.
Godavari district. The very famous thing is that the festival Sankranti, sir. Actually, it was very famous festival in East Godavari and West Godavari, both combined
Mm-hmm.
together. We do that, sir. And
Okay.
the next thing is we have in or around we have this in East Godavari. We have Kakinada shipping port for trading and exports. We do there.
Okay.
And the next thing is that brinjal and the lady's finger, sir. The native base of these two vegetables is here only, sir.
Okay. So what is the core of the economy for the particular district? Like
Sir, paddy
people's
fields,
dependency or even the source of income?
sir, paddy fields and horticulture, sir.
Horticulture. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you heard about this 4-day work culture?
So recent, sir, I heard about the news recently that the banks are having 5 days work. I
Hmm.
listened about that, but I didn't listen about this 4 days.
Actually, 4 days, it's an international concept. There are some countries who already adopted this particular. Okay, now you can tell about the 5-day work culture in banking system. So what is the thought behind it and your viewpoint?
Sir, actually, that in my point of view, it was good for the point of view who are working in that.
Okay.
But my point is that if you do more, if you can do more, if you do more means then we can generate profits more like by enhancing the work, like
Mm-hmm.
increasing the work. But the
Mm-hmm.
thing is that as in the working people point of view, uh, as they were having doing good work in banking as they are the pillar of economy,
Mm-hmm.
but they do also have I mean like they do want some. Sir, I'm not able to convey that much.
No worry, no worry. Okay. So one final question.
Sir,
Um, do you know what is the role of bank PU?
sir, I know about that. Okay, sir, I will tell. Sir, a PO, some basic quality of PO should have good patience. And
Okay.
the next in the work of him is, sir, taken coming the business to bank
Okay.
in such a way. How we can do is just, sir, for rural areas he can go over there and create enlighten the farmers and increase the CASA deposits.
Mm-hmm.
And he must,
Actually, my
sir,
question is like, let's say if we hire you as a bank PU, so what
yes.
will be your daily working in the organization? So this question is about the working of bank PO in any bank.
Okay, sir. If I was a PO, sir, then I have to look care of this the transaction that is happening in the bank. Like any queue will be there, sir. If a clerk has to issue an amount to another, like to withdraw something, there will be some queue. I have to see that is it that correct or not. And the next thing is that the activity that is going in bank, like if I must have minimum knowledge to explain if any customer is coming there, I have to explain clearly so that I have to be very clear in the concept that they are that our bank is providing,
Okay.
and in such a way I will give good customer service to the people.
Mhm. How many languages you know?
Sir, I know English and Telugu and I can understand Hindi well, sir, but like I'm not that much competent to counter again
Okay.
react for that.
Fine, fine, fine. ठीक है. Thank you. So we'll summarize this.